In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to find interactions on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now you can see here notifications, and in notification you can see this that there is interactions option here. You can see all the interactions on TikTok from here. In this way you can find your TikTok interactions on this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.